In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Street View on Google Maps. Street View lets you explore places at ground level with interactive 360-degree imagery, which is perfect for previewing a destination, checking landmarks, or getting a feel for a neighborhood before you visit. First, open your preferred web browser and go to google.com/maps. This is the desktop version of Google Maps. If you're using a laptop or computer, you're in the right place. The page might center on your current area, and that's perfectly fine. We'll jump to the exact place you want in a moment. Next, click on the search bar at the top of the page. It's the long white box with a small magnifying glass icon. This is where you'll tell Google Maps what you're looking for. You can type a full address, a landmark, a business name, or even a city or neighborhood. The more specific you are, the easier it is to land right where you want. Now type a location and press enter on your keyboard. Google Maps will move the map to that spot and usually show an information panel on the left with details, photos, and sometimes a preview. Take a second to confirm you've got the right place. If the results look off, add more details like the city or region, then try again. To open Street View, look to the bottom right corner of the map and click the Street View option. Depending on your version, this appears as a small person-shaped icon or a clearly labeled Street View control. Clicking it will open the 360-degree view for the location you searched when imagery is available. Once you're inside Street View, click and drag to look around in any direction. Use the on-screen arrows to move along the street step by step, and use the plus and minus controls to zoom in and out for a closer look. If you don't immediately see Street View or the imagery doesn't load, it may mean that location doesn't have coverage. Try zooming in closer on nearby roads or choosing a well-known intersection nearby. Coverage is most complete in cities and along major roads. When you're done exploring, you can return to the regular map by clicking the back arrow or closing the Street View pane, depending on your interface. That's all it takes. Go to Google Maps, click the search bar, enter your location, and select Street View from the bottom right to explore your destination like you're standing there.